This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Aletha Williams. Make this enchanting ranch-style home your own. Calling all investors, first-time buyers and visionaries. Minutes from Adhere, Downtime Norfolk, Ghent, hospitals, golf course, parks, sports complex, shops and more. Seller made awe-inspiring renovations to the living space, maximizing the square feet to 3,000 plus square feet. Walk-in closets, eat-in kitchen, sunken bathtub, storage, den, ample parking and so much more. Per seller, Realist/city square feet is not accurate. All appliances convey and in working condition. Although property is being sold as is, where is, this is truly a move-in ready gem. Whether generating income or living in it, come see it. Won't last long. Bring your offer, motivated seller. Please adhere to COVID-19 guidelines. For more information.